video page, or so down in the description part of any of the video, especially you. I started posting. I actually made the links a few videos back, so I think maybe one, two, three. The last three are fine if you watch those videos. The links, and going forward, I have the links to the books. Good, educational reading books that provide lots of information when it comes to trading. So, a lot of times you're not gonna get the information on watching videos, guys. Like, you have to pick up a book, read, further your education, broaden your mind, and yeah. So I click on one of the videos. This is the one I posted on Saturday, and if you see, um, here they are. Down in the description part of the video, you'll find recommended future trading books. Okay, I think I have 8 of them right here. All of them are great books. Take the time, review them, click on the links. You can. I think it gives you a little synopsis about each book, and information about the author. All of them are highly recommended. I read several of the books, guys. I think I've read at least 6 of these books already. Um, and I want to get. I think there is one that I don't have on here that I want to put on the list. But all of them are great books, guys. To be honest with you. Trading in the Zone. That's why I put it there at top. Great book to read. The Fundamentals of Futures and Option Markets. That is a highly recommended book to read. As well as the rest of them. Trade Like a Pro. This is that was a good book. It's got decent reviews on it. I read that one. I think there was one that I really liked. Which was, let me see which one it was. I know, yeah, The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. That teaches you and helps you understand about technical analysis trading, or technical analysis in general, guys. So, so all of them are highly recommended books. Just take the time to kind of, read through each one of the descriptions or the synopsis of each book and see which one you want to pick up, whatever the case is. But you have to do some reading. You just can't watch videos and learn that way. You have to kind of get a background perspective of, when it comes to trading, more so what it is about, and how to trade certain markets, whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today once again we're taking a look at the ES futures. That's the Emini S&P 500, guys. This is the go-to market that I trade. My go-to market that I trade each and every day, Monday through Friday primarily. I'm a futures trader, but better known for price action trading. I trade in price action. Basically, looking at the market's movements, looking for basically I trade on using simple strategy, playing off of supply and demand. So I am a supply and demand style trader, and if it's your first time watching one of the videos, thank you for tuning in this morning. If you've already subscribed to the channel and you're a loyal subscriber, thank you for taking the time and clicking on that subscribe button as you have already done. And thank you for doing that, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you for everyone who leaves the comments on the channel and likes the videos. I try my best to provide good content on this channel, and basically I posted my videos of my live. These are my live recorded sessions to maybe they inspire other people to understand the way I trade and possibly improve and help fellow traders out there who are looking to really take their trading to the next level, or trying to find a strategy that actually works day in and day out. Because I know there's a lot of people out there that spend a lot of time creating so-called content to provide a way of trading or means of style of trading to individuals, and they are what we call so-called gurus, and a lot of times those strategies don't work out. So I like to keep my trading simplistic, and that's what I do. I don't overthink my trading. I just follow price action, and I trade off supply and demand. So if you're looking for a profitable way to trade, to where you can make money, I have tons of videos on the channel, guys. You can see me live record you can see me in my live recorded sessions trading each and every day, and I try my best to answer and help fellow traders along when they have questions. So take a look at the content today, and hopefully we can get you to join as a loyal subscriber here on the channel. And let's get going. Let's go ahead and dive into the video. Before I want to start off, I do want to say that if you haven't taken the time to look down in the description of of the last few videos, I say, I put links to about 7 or 8 different books. I know a lot of you guys are asking and inquiring about books that I would recommend to read. There's some powerful books that have helped me along in my trading venture and have helped me become very successful. So I'll link 7 or 8 of those down in the description below in the video. So all you gotta do is go down to the bottom of the video or go into the video, look in the description. You'll see the links to all those videos, as well as I put in there some equipment that I actually use um, for my trading workstation, whatever the case is. But anyways, the books are very good books to read, and you know you got to start somewhere, guys. You really got to understand. If you're looking to understand the fundamentals, technicals of trading, pick up 1 or 2 of those books and get to reading. I highly recommend them. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video and take a look and see what the market is doing. As always, I like to start and take a look at the higher time frame, the 60 range chart. And I do see that overnight we pulled or we traced back up to this area right here, which is let me take a look here. It's a little let's take a look. Let me try and look at something, guys, so please bear with me. Little demand area that I marked up here, but price will trace back, rejected. It appears this area right here, and has so far this morning been kind of just chopping sideways. So, and looking at the 60 range chart. So, yes, this was a major area on a push to the downside. Price retracing sorry, not demand, guys, supply. If I said demand, I'm sorry, I meant to say supply. We're tracing back and testing some areas within this swing here. So right now, price is moving sideways, and it is volatile, guys. You can see price jumping around pretty quick. You see it right here. So let me take one look at see if we have any economic events right now. Okay, yeah, and looking at things, we don't really have anything going on, any news events during the day session. So, okay, go ahead and click off that. Okay, so yeah, the market is a little volatile. Not sure what's causing it to race around, but we'll take a look to see. Let's see here if we can get into a few trades this morning. It is currently 10:20 right now. 10:23 is really to the minute of what time it is. So let's see. And I did a video last Friday. If you guys haven't watched that video, watch the beginning of it, the first, I think, 20, 25 minutes of it. If you have any questions that may sum up any questions that you do have. I know I got a few questions from a few individuals, and they're pretty much the same similar questions. So I did that video, and at the beginning of it, I really gave a good rundown. I tried to my best to explain in detail to answer the questions pertaining to the criteria and steps to look for when really trying to execute a trade, when to get into it, and when should I get in, when should I get out, that type of thing. So you have to know before you take a trade, the moment before you take it, where do you take the trade up to, and possibly, especially for a solid area, take profit, and where you need to get out if the market comes back against you. So always remember that. That's a big thing. So yeah, being that we're hitting up against some areas of supply, rejecting as resistance. At this time, I would be interested, taking shorts each time, like price push down here, pull back, and look for opportunities to go short. So give me 1 second. Let's see here. So yeah, we'll see. I'd be interested in taking shorts, for 2 reasons. We're testing, like I said, some area supply, and price is hitting that above this high volume area here off the higher time frame, which is a 60 range chart right here. So, but we'll see. I'm not quite sure what the market's going to do. We really haven't had much overnight, trading action overnight. So not much price action there. So it's kind of moving sideways. Let's look at the 12 range to see what we have going on here on the 12 range. And if you know how I trade, guys, I'm always looking to trade from out of an area of supply or demand. So price hitting an area of supply or demand off the higher time frame. So like right, where we at here at around 3:30 last night, say for instance, okay. I'm interested in looking for short entries, So price pulls back to an area demand, supply off of the higher time frame, the 60 range chart. Then I go over to my 12 range chart, and I wait to see if price is going to start breaking structure, okay, to the downside. So That's just the way I trade. So 90, it's 47. All right, let's see. Let's see what the market is trying to do here. All right, so we kind of this is at 3 o'clock this morning. Price hitting that area up there, like I showed you off the 60 range chart. Now it's chopping to the downside. It makes a push down, pulls back. Didn't break lower here, so it made a similar low right here. Pull back to break lower. So basically, the swing was where price pushed down here. The big swing pulled back and then broke lower right here. So all right, let's see what price is trying to do here. All right, let's see if price will. Um, okay, test this area. I need a line or something so I can mark this. But right here where it's at now, let's see if we get some rejection in this area here. Um, oh, it's rejecting it already. Okay. Ah, come on. Okay. I'm going short. Dang it. And it already hit my area. So, all right. Let me get filled here. Ah, come on. All right, I'm taking out. Let's hit this area right here, guys. I got it a little late. So, first, market is racing around. It's very volatile right now. So that was the first entry right there. Price pulling back to an area right here. This is an area of supply sitting up here. I'll draw it for you. Um, right here. Price taps into it. All right, so we push up a little higher here. At first trade, I picked up 11 ticks. I'm gonna take this off now because price broke above this area, but it's testing. Okay, it's testing this area up in here. So, um, hmm, let's see. Hmm. Yeah, so I'm trying to pay attention, guys, and see what the market is. Looking at my 12 range chart, we have supply above here. I mentioned that, so I'm looking for shorts unless price can break higher. So, well, I'm looking for shorts. I put it like that. Um, price. Mm, Um, this market's a little volatile, so I'm being little bit cautious about trading. My trades right now. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, I'm going short. Going short right back down to this area right here around 43 and a half. Price should possibly come down there. Looking at what the market's trying to do here. Hopefully it does. I'll take that out. I'm gonna take it. Yeah, okay. All right, we got field there. All right. A little short right there from back up here at tops prices. Testing this area over here several times, so um I'm short. But gotta be careful here because price is moving sideways here. Okay, so that little trade there, 13 ticks. Okay, so we're up 24 ticks right now. I'm gonna stand down right now because all this sideways action right here, you kind of get a little confused when you're looking at all this stuff going on. So I'm gonna wait right now. Let's see. Price may not. It's kind of trailing to the upside here, making these little higher highs and higher lows on this leg here. But this is just a retracement, a pullback, possibly. So I'm gonna be careful here. Um, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, market's kind of chopping sideways. I'm short. I'm gonna have to scalp this real quick. Come on. 'Cause right here, the back at the bottom's right here. This is a pullback to this little area of supply sitting up here off the 12 range chart. Just taking it back to the low. So price push down here, retrace back. We're taking it, retracing right back to this area right here. The little zones right here. Oops. Little supply zones right here. Price pull back to it, close of the candle, go short. Not much room though, because you're right back into the lows. So I just scalped it real quick. Um, so looking at my, let's see what we picked up there. Just 7 ticks right there. Okay, so I'm up 31 ticks right now. Take a look at my chart here and see what we're doing. Um, yeah, we're moving sideways. I'm gonna stand down right now because I don't like. We're at the highs up here. Um, so definitely got to be careful. Mm, yeah, yeah, there's opportunity to go short here. I missed it. Hmm, yeah, I'm short. Should come lower. Hopefully, come lower here. Come on. Ah, there we go. They probably come down here and test 40. We're already at 30. There we go. See, 40, just like I called it. All right. So that trade there was a better trade. I got into taking a trade from the tops up here, area of supply sitting up there. So excuse me, guys. That trade there. Let's see. What's the market doing right now? Okay. Yeah, on that trade right. Yeah, that trade right there. I picked up 21 ticks. So I'm trying to pay attention to see. It's projecting down here. It's moving sideways though, so I'm gonna be careful here. Okay, so I'm up 52 ticks right now. All right. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so the market's breaking a little lower. Um, hmm. And it can come up here, right here, reject. I'd like to see it go up a little higher though, but it could reject. Uh, short. Come on, baby. Come on. Ah, what's it doing? Come on, come lower. It could come up here and test this area, guys, so I have to be careful. Sorry. It could come up here and test here at 43. So I need to try to take out. Look at it. That's why I didn't want to take that trade right there. It's gonna want to test higher areas. I'm gonna scale in and get out this trade. That's what I'm gonna do. There we go. All right, real quick, getting out. It should come down here though, to 36. It's already hitting 36 and a half, so it could bounce here. The area I really want to see it test is up here, right up in here. So we'll see. Um, so that trade there, I picked up 10 ticks there. So I'm up 62 ticks. Okay. Still rejecting right here. I call this support, right? I mean, excuse me, resistance right here. I really want to see it push up a little higher, but it's actually only one tick away from hitting the area, to be honest with you. One, two ticks. So, uh, maybe I will go short. I don't know because it's kind of moving sideways right here. It's kind of a little iffy situation here. I think I'm gonna stand down because we've already kind of come down here. So I'm gonna stand down right now. All right, but it could come lower. Is what I'm trying to say because it's if you take a look at it here, guys, price retraced back up here and now it's folding and turning back to the downside. So basically, this could be just a pullback to push lower and make a lower low. But be mindful, there's a supply up here off of the 60 range, so gotta be careful with that. But yeah, I mean, we could let's see, also come up here and test this area up here, so around 50. So, but it could bounce here and push lower. But I think I'm gonna stand down now because I've already taken a trade from this area once already. Um, yeah, looks like it wants to push lower. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna stand down though. I'm gonna hold off right now. Actually, I'm gonna go short because this is like looks like it wants to come lower. Come on, come on. See, that's why I didn't want to do it. Come on now. I don't think it's done yet. It's bouncing around too much for me. There we go. Got filled. Okay, we're just bouncing around. See, I don't like price action like this when it starts chopping like this in an area I know it's where there it goes. Now it's finally doing it. Where it could pull back to when it starts chopping like that, it makes me a little nervous, and I go ahead and get out because it could just as easy push up and test this area up here. So that's why I got out, guys. I'll take what I can get and get out. So it's just 8 ticks right there. So I'm up 60 ticks right now. I'm sorry, not 60 ticks. Sorry about that. So sorry about that. 70 ticks. Good gracious. I'm looking at my all right. So yeah, 70 ticks right now. See, first contract was 5 ticks. Second contract was 8. So that's a total of 70 ticks for today. All right. See, it came right down to this area right here. I said it would. Now it's pulling higher. So we'll see what happens. um, yeah. Okay. So I'll mark the area where price hit at where you guys can see it. Little area of demand sitting right. Oops. Let's try that again. Rectangle. Top end of this green candle to the bottom end of that green candle. That area is supply, not demand. Sorry. I get kind of caught up thinking about, saying the wrong thing sometimes I know what I want to say. Sometimes I just end up saying the wrong thing sometimes when I'm actually trading and looking at the charts. It's hard stuff to do, guys, when you're actually trying to explain your trades and show your trades and trade while you're online. Or trade while I'm doing these videos. I'm trying to explain so you guys understand at the same time. I'm trying to stay focused and trade too. So that's not easy stuff. pretty difficult. Yeah, I think price will probably come back down here and test this area again here around 96. Excuse me, not 96, 39, 36. It's hitting this area up here again. So it's actually tapped into this area of supply sitting here. But I'd be interested to see if price is going to run up and test this area up here. I'll mark this area so we'll see what happens if it does come up here, right here. There it goes, that quick. See that? See how fast it runs up there? But all right, I'm short. Come on. There we go. Okay, see? Short, price pulls back to supply at the tops here at the high. Okay. And that's probably gonna wrap it up for me today. Pretty quick, that quick today. So got trade there. Yeah, 12 ticks. So I'm up 82 ticks right now. 82 ticks for today, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call it and I'm gonna call it early session today because it's Monday. Today is the 20. I think it's the 23rd, if I'm not mistaken. Um, sorry about that. Yeah, it's 23rd, and I'm up 82 ticks, and that's gonna be it. So, yeah, if you guys are interested in any other books, I highly recommend you guys pick up one or two of the books and read them because they're great books. They cover different topics. So if you haven't, I'm going to bring it up right now so you can see it. So yeah, if you're interested in any of the books, guys, I highly recommend you taking a look at some of the books in they'll be down in the video description below. If you click on, go to the video page, or so down in the description part of any of the video, especially I started posting. I actually made the links a few videos back, so I think maybe 1, 2, 3, the last 3 are fine if you watch those videos. The links, and going forward, I have the links to the books, good, educational reading books that provide lots of information when it comes to trading. So, a lot of times you're not gonna get the information on watching videos, guys. You have to pick up a book, read, further your education, broaden your mind, yeah. So I click on one of the videos. This is the one I posted on Saturday, and if you see, here they are. Down in the description part of the video, you'll find recommended future trading books. Okay, I think I have 8 of them right here. All of them are great books. Take the time, review them, click on the links. I think it gives you a little synopsis about each book and information about the author. All of them are highly recommended. I read several of the books, guys. I think I've read at least 6 of these books already. And I think there is one that I don't have on here that I want to put on the list. But all of them are great books, guys. I'm to be honest with you. Trading in the Zone, that's why I put it there at top. Great book to read. The Fundamentals of Futures and Option Markets. That is a highly recommended book to read. As well as the rest of them. Trade Like a Pro. This is that was a good book. It's got decent reviews on it. I read that one. I think there was one that I really liked. Which was, let me see which one it was. I know, yeah, The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. That teaches you and helps you understand about technical analysis trading, or technical analysis in general, guys. So, so all of them are highly recommended books. Just take the time to kind of, read through each one of the descriptions or the synopsis of each book and see which one you want to pick up, whatever the case is. But you have to do some reading. You just can't watch videos and learn that way. You have to kind of get a background perspective of, when it comes to trading, more so what it is about, and how to trade certain markets, whatever the case is. So take a look at some of the books, and hopefully you pick up one or two of them, whatever the case is, and buy one now and read it, and come back and buy another one, whatever the case is. Just click on the links in the video. The video links will be, the links to the books will be down in the video description. Okay, as simple as that. Other than that, guys, I don't have much more in this video here. Let's take a look and see what the market is doing at this point here. Yeah, it's just all it's doing right now is looks like it's just retracing back, pulling back, and it's actually broke the high, the overnight high already. So right here at 39.55. I'm gonna take a look at the 60 range chart to kind of, yeah, it's already broke that area. What did I say? Sorry about that. I'm taking a look again. 55, yes, it's broke that already. If you look at the 12 range chart, it has broke that area already. So I'm not sure. We could continue pushing to the upside here. If we do on the 12, on the 60 range chart, we may tap into, let's see. I'm just trying to take a look and see. Yeah, I mean, we could tap into this area right here. The zone is at right here. I marked right here. So looks like we're pushing it higher. We do have a little volume node off the 60 range. So price and a little high volume area here within this larger low volume area here. So price could, come up and test this area here where this blue rectangle box is. But yeah, so we'll see what happens today. Yeah, it could pull back to some areas out here. So we'll see what price is going to do. I'll kind of be looking at my charts from time to time, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up, get this uploaded and posted to you guys. And if you're trading, guys, like I always say, please be safe in the market, guys. The market was, and still is, a little volatile. Definitely was volatile when I started off this morning. And I'm not sure what the rest of the day is going to look like. But yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. This is my live recorded session for today, signing off. And I'll see you then. Take care.